Okay, Perodua Bezza install Senpai 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player, TS18 8-core processor with a 10.1 inch. This is a clip-on universal casing. And a side view, QLED screen, multi-angle view, a plug-and-play socket, plug-and-play power socket, support AHD two-way front and rear camera, parking camera, full menu, a T-Link for CarPlay and Android Auto function. Before that, you have to pairing with your Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth, click search, then pair with your phone. If you need the passcode, the PIN number is here, 0000. Setting, network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet, or mobile data. You can insert a 4G SIM slot. It's got a 4G antenna hidden inside the drawer, and two USB port. Reverse parking light if you fix in a reverse camera. About TS18 8-core processor, A55 1.6 GHz. Okay, sound processor AK7604, Bluetooth 5.0, 4 GB RAM, 32 storage, and a screen resolution 1280720. Android version 12. Okay, Senpai Android. For Perodua Bezza, got two type of casing to fix in. The first one is only for the 10.1 inch clip-on casing. Another casing is OEM good fitting, is together the big size until to the end, the whole casing. This is the second type. So for this one is 10.1 inch clip-on universal casing. Okay, Senpai Android. Thank you.